so I've been really worried about those lemongrass plants because it's like 30 degrees out here. So I really don't want to buy them again next year. It's like $20. So dig them up. That's what I say.
Nope, I can't tell the difference between zucchini and squash.
There's only one left, so pull that one.
This one.
Yep.
This one.
Yep.
Wow.
That was easy. Alright.
The root stayed there. Look at the roots. Look at them. Oh, it's a spider.
It's so creepy.
Look at all that color. It's the end of the garden.
Morning, everybody. So I know I ended my last video pretty abruptly. It's because the sun went down before I even knew it, and that was the end of that. So I'm really pushing my luck with this frost. It was like 36 degrees last night, and it's going to be 29 tonight. I'm seeing some frost on some things, and I'm running behind. Let's go. First things first, I need to empty the rain barrel before the water freezes and cracks my rain barrel. So that's first. Looks like it's finished. You put my hot chocolate down because it's hot chocolate season. I managed to fill up two water cans and this giant planter that doesn't have a drainage hole yet. So let's see how much water's left in there, shall we? Okay, so that water was absolutely freezing cold and my hands are numb, but I think I'm not going to really do much more because nothing else is really that important. I've got a couple of plants. Basil I can just buy or start from seed next year. Sage the same. I am going to cut some more zinnias to bring inside, but other than that, I think I dug up enough. I also figure waste not with this water because the plants still need moisture, like water, in winter and fall. Even if there's snow on the ground, it's good to come out and check. So waste not using the rest of the plane talking. Like I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, waste not with this water because even if it's cold out, even if there's snow on the ground, you still have to make sure your plants are properly watered and the soil isn't dried out. So, using the rest of this rain barrel water to do my due diligence. Okay, that's all for now. I'm gonna go inside and find a nice spot for my little arrangement, and I'll see you in the next one. Find a nice plane. Ooh, it is brisk out here. My God.